Welcome to Corton. Not just famous for hang gliding. What I like about Corton is the rigging area. It's like a golf course, isn't it? This is the most difficult bit, just going through this rotor. Yeah. Okay, release. About 100-foot high launch, if that. And that's Lowestoft in the distance. This is looking back along Corton Ridge. So you got launch just over there, and in the distance Great Yarmouth, where it just where it sticks out, that's Great Yarmouth. Gorleston Beach just to the left of it. The wind is slightly off to the north, so probably east, northeast. It's not very good in the south because you get the those bushes just interfering with launch. So slightly north of east. East is best. But you can see there's someone rigged just on launch, and here's the hang gliders rigging just behind. Take off there. This is where you get the best height. I say height because we are above sea level here. This bit here works the best. I have flown to Gorleston before, but I was getting a lot more height above the cliffs than I am now. I don't think I'll do it today. Yeah, I've come down to Lowestoft. Just to make things a little bit more interesting. See if I can get back to take off. Down to 320 feet, which ain't bad actually. Vario, I'll put my Vario on, you can hear that beeping. Give me a few more signs of whether I've got lift or not. See if I can make it back. There's plenty of landing fields just there. Slightly into wind. Down to 310 feet now. Down a bit. The difficult bit is getting over this road here. But I'm holding 320 feet, so I should make it back. I'm positive I'm going to make it. And then I get lots of sink. Uh-oh. My view is getting better, so I'm seeing more and more the other side of the trees. So I know I'm going to make it. And this is the beauty of the hang glider, is I'm at trim now, but if I want a little bit of speed I just pull up. That speed to height. Mr. Leary is about to launch, so let's give him a buzz. There's a little leisure park in the background there. Missed him. I'm not doing this on purpose, nudist people. This is where the best lift is. Give them a wave. They probably think I'm a pervert, but it's where the best lift is, honest. Where those seagulls are, just over there. That's the best lift band. Probably just over these trees, just this couple of trees. So I'll park myself here and see how I get. I'm going to turn this annoying variable off. There's Paul. There you go, silence. Seagull. Land on the green field in the distance there by the wind turbine. That's the best option. Doesn't look like Nick's gonna fly. Okay, here we go. Coming down the land. Well, it's still landing, but there's a bit of a wall over there. It would have been probably better landing on the beach. And some concrete things. Do not land down here. I think landing where Paul landed will be better if you see it concrete. Time for an ice cream, I think. Ah, brilliant, thank you. Oh, lovely jubbly. Yeah. Oh, it's a hang glider. How do you get a hang glider on top of a camper van then?
We know how to get one off, don't we?
So I'm going to have to lift this bit. Oh, lovely jubbly.